Hello and welcome to the third film in our Design Details series. In it, we set out the steps for preparing a 1:20 scale drawing and the key rules to follow. The first step, and one which many people unfortunately leave out, is to consider how big the finished 1:20 scale drawing will be and whether it will actually fit on your sheet of paper. As you can see here, it is often almost impossible to fit both section and plan views of a staircase on an A3 size sheet of paper. Similarly, it will often not take a whole facade. Always check the finished drawing size against the paper before you start drawing. This is how to solve the problem. Use 2 sheets of A3 paper. Draw the longitudinal section on one sheet and the plan view on the other. The added bonus of doing this is that you can also take advantage of the 2-view projection principle, that is to say, the vertical transfer of component edges from one drawing to the other, by laying the sheets of tracing paper alternately one on top of the other on your drawing board. This type of drawing is also best made on 2 sheets of A3 paper. To show the full height of your design, run your drawings on from one sheet to the next as if you were working on a single sheet of A2 paper. For the sake of completeness, I should also mention that this same method can be used to draw building interiors. If you watched our first series of films, you are already familiar with the line types and weights set out in German Standard DIN 13561. We recommend that you use line group 3 weights in 1:20 scale drawings, just as you would for 1:50 scale drawings. Because individual components are drawn larger, material hatching is used more frequently in 1:20 scale drawings. Here is a reminder of the hatching types defined in the table contained in DIN 13561. Remember that 1:20 scale drawings must also include the cutting plane line, dimensions and labels. The cutting plane line is important because the 2 drawings will often be consulted in parallel, with the redesign jumping back and forth between plan view and elevation. Labels are used more sparingly in 1:20 scale drawings because the construction dimensions have already been given in the 1:50 scale construction drawings, and a 1:20 scale drawing often simply provides an overview with references to other details. Labels are used to explain these references. Summary. Start by working out how big the finished 1:20 scale drawing will be and choosing the appropriate paper size. It's advisable to use the line types and weights specified in line group 3 in DIN 13561 in 1:20 scale drawings. This standard also sets out the different types of material hatching that can be used. These drawings must also include the cutting plane line, dimensions and labels. Our Design Details series continues with film number 4, in which you will learn how to represent stairs in a 1:20 scale drawing.